bird of paradise is a rare bird that must be protected in Indonesia. This beautiful bird is an endemic animal in Indonesia with a rich variety of species. At least, there are 28 species located in Papua. Here are some of them. The great yellow bird of paradise, Paradisea apoda, is a beautiful feathered bird of paradise in the genus Paradisea which is spread across the Aru archipelago, Indonesia and covers lowland and hill forest areas in southwest Papua. The small yellow bird of paradise, Paradisea minor, is a bird of paradise in the genus Paradisea with a shape similar to the big yellow bird of paradise, Paradisea apoda. Another name for this bird is the lesser bird of paradise. The red bird of paradise, Paradisea rubra, is a bird of paradise from the genus Paradisea and the family Paradiseidae. This Indonesian endemic bird is spread in the lowland rainforest on the islands of Waigeo and Batanta in Raja Ampat, West Papua. Cendrawasih ponji, Pterodophora alberti, is a bird from the Paradiseidae family and the only member of the Pterodophora genus. Cendrawasih ponji is an endemic bird and type of Australian fauna in the mountain forests of Papua, Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Dead wire bird of paradise, Seleucidus melanoleucus, is a typical Papuan bird with a unique wire-like tail. In English this bird is called 12-wired bird of paradise, because of this uniqueness.